Yeah.
Okay guys, and today we are in the episode 3 of this quad build, and today I want to paint this quad. So I got the suspension removed. That's an independent suspension. As you can see, this is how it works. Can you see that? So I got it removed right there. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna clean it up, and we're gonna do some painting, guys. So guys, you see, as you can see, I mix up. This is clear and white, and I got orange, and this is black, and just this is thinner, and this is also matte black. So those are the paint I'm gonna use in this project. So right now, the quad is very okay. I'll do the painting, and the footer independent sub, I have the same colors with the back forks. Now I'm gonna do the back, and I'm gonna finish up the quad, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, I got this thing done, and this is the quad, and this time is full. I've got it done like this, as you can see. And this thing also has a remote. It also starts with a remote, and you can see as I got the switch, and you also start from there like that, and that looks pretty good. You can see, and the quad is cool, like you can see, guys. And this thing also has a remote. You can double click right here to start like that. Also like that. That's look pretty good, guys. And guys, please don't just go like that. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Show some love. Subscription is absolutely free, guys. So show some love and subscribe to this channel, guys. Push the channel forward, guys. Peace.